put a picture of the Navy SEALs on here because I've made them one of my, a group that I study all the time. I am not a Navy SEAL. I wish I would have had half of what those guys have to become what they've become. But I put a picture of these guys up there because one of the stories that I read about these guys who go through BUDS is they sign up for this course, and everybody's heard about BUDS in the sense that you go to this, intensive training camp, and they basically run you until you die or you quit. And the few guys who make it through, well, then we'll start training you, right? That's basically how the system works, because the only requirement to become a Navy SEAL at the beginning, at that stage, is we want to make sure that you will not quit. And they test you, and they'll push you, and they'll find out where your breaking point is. And if you don't have one, they want you to become a Navy SEAL. And so one of the tests that they do during your BUDS training is they tell these guys, they tie them up, bind their wrists and their ankles, and they tell them to jump in an Olympic-sized swimming pool, and they got to swim all the way to the end and all the way back without coming up for air. Now that's impossible for a human to do if you don't have gills, right? What they want to see you do is not come up for air and drown yourself. And if you will drown yourself to become a SEAL, then you are the candidate that we want. Now we'll start training you when I see that you will die for this cause. And if you have that same commitment to your business, and you have that same drive for what your cause is about, that you will die, figuratively, hopefully, for what you're all about, that will attract investment capital, that will attract customers, and that will attract your success. That will attract all kinds of success will open up for you. When you have that kind of commitment, you'll never quit, you'll never give up, and you'll make it. There's nothing that can stop that when you have that kind of a drive.